Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best underwater drone on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. LISM qinzhen. The LISM qinzhen underwater drone is a reliable and efficient underwater tool designed for enthusiasts. It features a brushless motor for smooth operation and is ready to go, with 4 control channels and a Mode 2 controller mode for precise navigation. The drone is suitable for users aged 12 and above, but not for children under 14. Its flight time of 2 hours on a single charge is enough for capturing underwater footage or conducting thorough inspections. However, the 1-month warranty may be a concern for some buyers. The drone is ready to go, charging quickly, and offers precise control up to 1,000 meters away. It is not suitable for children under 14 years old. Number 4. Camac M2S. The Camac M2S is a high-quality underwater drone designed for professional divers, underwater photographers, and tech enthusiasts. It offers 4K video resolution, superior image quality with over 24 MP, and is compatible with GoPro cameras. The drone is specifically designed for the chasing drone model, ensuring optimal performance and ease of use. It is safe and non-toxic, containing no high-concern chemicals, making it eco-friendly. Originating from mainland China, the Camac M2S reflects the high-quality engineering and attention to detail of Chinese manufacturers. Number 3. Oimg underwater drone. The Oimg underwater drone is a reliable underwater drone with advanced features and a brushless motor. It is certified with 3C and comes with a ready-to-go assembly for easy use. It features a powerful remote control system with a range of up to 150 meters and a 2-hour flight time on a single charge. Suitable for users aged 12 and up, it is a submarine-type drone designed for underwater use. Although the drone has a short warranty period of 1 month, its robust build and performance suggest it is built to last beyond its warranty period. Number 2. Camac M2 Pro. The Camac M2 Pro is a high-quality underwater drone with 4K video resolution, high-resolution photography, and compatibility with GoPro and ROV models. It captures stunning 4K videos and over 24 MP images, making it perfect for professional and recreational use. The drone's 1/2.3-inch sensor delivers high-quality images in challenging underwater environments, balancing performance and portability. Camolech, a reputable brand from China, reflects high standards and innovative design. The M2 Pro is also safe to use in various environments, including those sensitive to chemical exposure, making it a responsible choice for eco-conscious users. Number 1. FIFISH. The FIFISH underwater drone is a revolutionary underwater drone designed for both amateur and professional divers. It offers stunning 4K video resolution, capturing stunning underwater environments in high definition. The drone also features a built-in camera, eliminating the need for external attachments. It is user-friendly, controlled via remote control, and has an extended exploration time. The FIFISH is a product of mainland China, known for its innovation in underwater technology. It also supports aerial photography, making it a valuable tool for those requiring both underwater and aerial footage. The drone is designed for both amateur and professional divers. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Like, comment and share.